Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota with our 2017 Camry LE. Just under 43,000 kilometers on it, lots of factory warranty left. It's had one owner and it's been completely serviced here at our dealership. It does come with a factory block heater, and it comes with a Toyota long range remote start. If we work our way over to the side of the vehicle here, you can see that it has 16-inch steel rims and the Toyota hubcaps. You can open it up here. It's got a really light interior, beige interior. This vehicle comes with heated seats, a backup camera. It still has a CD player, completely Bluetooth. And it has automatic headlights. I'll show you the second row here. Camrys are known for their spacious interior, lots of room for the passenger. And if we make our way back here to the rear of the vehicle, you can see right here it has their backup camera. Pop it open, you can see the spacious trunk. If you do want those seats in that second row to come down, you just pull on these levers right here. Gives you lots of length if you're putting anything a little bit longer in there. Those are your second set of mats in there, your summer mats, the color matched, and of course you have a cargo net in here as well. That's our 2017 Camry. Give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and stay safe.